Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to reply or react to someone else's story on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to reply or react to your friend's story on Facebook, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after that, you will find all of your friends' stories beside your story like this. And now this is my friend's story. Now if I wanted to react to a story, you can see the love button over here. Let's tap on the love button, and to reply I can send beautiful video friend, and tap on the airplane icon over here. And if I wanted to add some emojis over here, emojis are over here, or stickers are over here. Since I don't want to add any gifts or stickers, I'll just be type and send, and tap on send over here like this, and you can see the message sent, and we have successfully reacted to a story. And there guys, this is how you reply or react to someone's story on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.